Hello everyone, welcome back to English class. Today we are going to continue our previous topic and the topic name is article. In last class I taught you indefinite article and today I am going to teach you definite article the. Now we shall understand in which condition, what are those conditions in which we use this definite article the. So let's start and see. First point I have written here before the names of certain books, especially holy scripts. For example, the Gita, the Bible. Alright, we use definite article the. Alright, next one, before the name of unique thing. Now, for example, I have written here the sun, the sky, the earth. Other points you can see here before the names of musical instrument. Okay, any musical instrument you can see here. For example, guitar is a musical instrument, piano is a musical instrument, harmonium is also musical instrument, and before it we always use what? Definite article the. So the guitar, the piano, the harmonium. Next one, we use definite article with the name of mountain ranges. For example, the Himalayas, the Alps. Okay, these are the mountain range. Alright. Next point, with the names of the river, canals, ocean and seas. So before these things, we use article the. What is definite article the? The Nile, the Suez Canal, and here the Black Sea. Now next one is, we also use definite article with the name of historical monuments. What is historical monuments? That means any monuments or any special building that has some historical importance. Alright. So here we have Red Fort, Taj Mahal. So here you have to use definite article the Red Fort, the Taj Mahal. Next one, we always use definite article the with the superlative degree. With the superlative degree. I'll teach you degree also when I will start teaching you adjective. Alright. So here darkest, there are 3 degrees in adjective: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. For example, good, better, best. Here good is what? Positive degree. Better is what? Comparative degree, and best is the superlative degree. So before superlative degree, we use definite article the. For example, you can see here the darkest. Alright. Similarly here, the best. Best is the superlative degree. Darkest is also superlative degree. And that is why before the superlative degree, we use what? Definite article the. The bravest. Similarly, the oldest. So in this way, we came to know so many points and so many situations in which condition we can use definite article the. So this was all about today's class. Thank you so much. I am sending you PDF also. English notes you have to write in your fair copy. Apart from this, whatever I'll send in Hindi, if you need to write, if it seems to you that you have little problem or if you find important, then you can write Hindi also. Alright, मैं इसके साथ कुछ आपको एक PDF भेज रही हूँ जिसमें हिंदी में भी एक्सप्लेन किया हुआ है तो आप लोग उसे पढ़िएगा, दैट इज़ फॉर अंडरस्टैंडिंग पार्ट। बट स्टिल अगर आपका इंग्लिश बहुत वीक है तो आप थोड़ा सा हिंदी में भी पढ़ लेंगे और इंग्लिश में, तो फिर आपका कॉन्सेप्ट और अच्छे से क्लियर हो जाएगा। ऑल राइट, so please do it in your fair copy, and if you find any important point in Hindi, that also you can write in your own words. Okay, so this was all about today's class. Have a nice day. Thank you very much.